Hi, this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson. We got Dr. Rosell down here with us from Bethesda Spine and Posture up in Bethesda, Maryland. And this is the third day of our seminar here in Houston, Advanced Chiropractic Seminar. And she has passed with flying colors. She gets the history, she gets the exam, she's done the testing on me. She's done all the adjustments on me, the full Johnson XYZ technique, and she's done a great job. So I'm going to give her her final ring dinger before she heads back up to Bethesda to go work tomorrow.
Yes.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, let's show them your posture after 3 days of doing this. Doesn't get much better than that. Take a look. You right down the gut everywhere.
Yeah.
Let's do this one. Side down a little bit. In the last pegs again.
I fit in there?
Yeah, you do. Okay, keep your teeth together though. Don't bite your tongue off. There it is. See, I don't even have to pull that hard on her because we've ripped all that scar tissue this first day. And she's good to go now. You feel that one all the way down still?
Yes,
though?
I did. It felt amazing.
Good. Atta girl. Perfect. Yeah, the other thing about these adjustments is, and you've seen this week from me doing them, when you get a full joint range of motion adjustment, the patient responds neurologically better, don't they?
Yes.
Because we're getting that afferent nerve supply out. Let me see that for you. My greasy face. Now, if I worked at the same level of table height as Dr. Rosell,
You'd be hurt.
I'd have to have her down here every week to adjust me. This is old man height right here. Legs are even still, and they stay even. Did that hurt at all, Doc?
No, a little tightness.
Okay.
Very light on the
Right, the base
side.
L5.
Mm-hmm.
Must have had an extra taco for lunch.
From you.
There we go. Okay. Mm-hmm. Okay. There we go. See if that helped that low back tightness.
I don't feel it.
Great. Yes, ma'am. Okay, let's turn you on your back. Yep, slide down this way a little bit. That girl. I like that color green. That's
Thank
a nice
you.
shirt. There we go. That'd be a good shirt to wear on St. Patrick's Day, huh?
I did actually.
Yeah.
Of course I did.
All right, let's sit you. Fix that away.
I think this was my St. Patty's outfit, actually.
What's that?
This was my outfit on St. Patty's Day.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
There we go. Oh, your joints are moving better.
Yeah, I can feel
Not
it.
as much crepitus in there either. All right, let's stand here in front of the mirror and shoot you one last time. All right. There we go. These here like this. No tilt, remember. Straight back, that girl. Yes, ma'am. Doc, you just don't look much better than that ever. That's like perfect XYZ posture right there.
Yes.
And you're a biophysics practitioner as well.
Yeah.
That's my background is chiropractic biophysics, which is three-dimensional Cartesian coordinate system analysis on the XYZ axes. And that's what her and Dr. Krause do as well, and have done for years. But we've incorporated XYZ, only we have added a XY axis adjustment that we call the ring dinger just because it's easier to say than manual spinal neural decompression adjustment on the Y axis every time. I have to repeat that so many times because they don't get it the first time. Ring dinger. That's why I call it ring dinger. It's easier, RD. This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Seminar in Houston, Texas with
Rosell from Bethesda Spine and Posture in Bethesda, Maryland.
welcome to Team Ring Dinger.
Thank you.
And we'll both see you all soon.